Hello and welcome to this BitifEye tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you the usage of our ValleyFrame PCI Express CEM Gen 4 test automation software. This tutorial consists of 3 parts. Chapter 1 is about the station configuration. Chapter 2 is about calibration. In Chapter 3, we will demonstrate the CEM receiver test for PCIe Gen 4 16 GB transfers per second with a small demo of our link EQ test. This is the PCIe station configuration. Here in the first step, we can select generic ValleyFrame settings, for example, the result viewer. We can also set database and sound options. In step 2, we have the PCIe specific configuration. The data generator, the main power control, and the scope application can be selected here. When we select the checkbox Use Switch for RX tests, the switch configuration button is available. Let's see what's behind it. Here in our drop-down menu, we can choose the switch type depending upon the numbers of lanes to be tested, and at the bottom we can configure which slot to be used for RX and TX signals. Settings specific to SIG tests are available in a sub-window accessible by clicking the SIG test config button. Here we can select our installation directory, also we can change the SIG test templates for jitter and EHEW. Step 3 is to connect the instruments. The checkboxes on the left let us switch instruments between offline and online. For doing real calibrations and tests, make sure all instruments are set to online mode and enter the correct IP. The Check Connections button is to see if the instrument connection is successful or not. If the instrument connection is successful after entering the proper instrument IP address, then the instrument row will turn green. If it is not successful, then the row will turn red. Once every connections are successful, we click Finish to store the settings before starting ValleyFrame. Thank you for watching.